with the chapter 29 of units, that is anthematology. Now as the name says anthematology, it means the anthems, different anthems given by different persons. So that we will do. First one is Amar Sonar Bangla is the national anthem of Dash. So it is of Bangladesh. It became the anthem in the year 1971. It was written by Rabindranath Tagore. Next one is second one, God Save the Queen. Again it's the national anthem and it is the national anthem of United Kingdom. Third one is the Star Spangled Banner is the national anthem and it is of USA. Even you can see they have given different flags. So here there is a kind of star which is formed on the flag in the third one. That's why it is named as the Star Spangled Banner. It was written by Francis Scott Key. Fourth one, Kimi ga Yo is the national anthem of Japan, which is the shortest in the world. It has been taken from Kamakura period poem. There is a period like we have done in the history, in the same way they have different periods. From that they have taken this anthem. Fifth one is Het Wilhelmus is the national anthem of Netherlands. It is the oldest national anthem in the world. And did you know it is written that the Sri Lankan national anthem was composed in Sinhala language. Its Tamil version is played on the special occasions. Now we will start with chapter number 30. Now we have different memorials which are given in this chapter. As the name says, memorial. So they are related to the memory. We have to be in our memory to them. We have. Now we will start with chapter number 30, that is memorials. What are memorials? Memorials are made in the memory of someone, and here it is written that it is in the memory of the persons who sacrificed their lives for something. So that's why we keep them as memory. Now here we are talking about the memorials which are made for the sacrificing lives. But memory can be anything. A pen can also be a memory, a book can also be a memory which you are saving for yourself as a memory. By seeing them you can think about those times. The pictures can also be the memory. Here we are talking about the monuments or some areas. So let us start with the first one. This National Martyrs Memorial, it's a kind of monument, a building, is in Bangladesh. It is a symbol of the valor. Valor means courage, power. So it is a symbol of that kind of confidence, power, and the sacrifice of those which are killed during the Bangladesh Liberation War of 1971. So the name is Jatiyo Smriti Sudho. Second one, this memorial is located in the Washington DC, USA. Commemorates means it gives respect to those who served in the Korean War, and the name is Korean War Veterans Memorial. Third one is, it is the site of the massacre. Massacre is the time when we have a kind of discrimination. We have a time of anything, any war, any fight. So that time, it is the site, it's a building of that time that took place in 1919 in Amritsar, India. A fight was going on at that time. Here hundreds of unarmed demonstrators. Demonstrators were the persons at that time who were doing any kind of meetings. So there were hundreds of persons who are not having arms, who are not having any kinds of weapons in their hands. So that kind of persons who are doing meetings at that time, they were gunned down, they were killed, they were fired with the guns on the orders of the person name is General Dyer. The place is Jallianwala Bagh Memorial. Fourth one, it is the mutiny. Mutiny means a kind of rebel, a kind of situation where everyone is open, everyone is free to have war. So that kind of memorial which is built in Delhi in the memory of British soldiers killed while subduing the Indian mutiny of 1857. At the time of this war in 1857, they were killed by subduing. Subduing means defeating. So they were defeated by the Indian persons. The The site was converted into a memorial for those martyrs. This memorial was built in the memory of those persons, of those freedom fighters who rose against the colonial rule in 1857. That is Ajitgarh. The last one is, it is the memorial of the soldiers of Indian Army who sacrificed their lives in World War I and the Third Afghan War. In World War I also and the Afghan War also, they have sacrificed their life. A flame burns eternally. Eternal means always here, which is also called the Amar Jawan Jyoti. The name is India Gate. Now we are having the chapter, that is chapter number 31. Name of the chapter is Festive Time. So wherever we have festivals, different festival celebrations are there. So here we will discuss that. First one is, it is a famous and colorful street festival. It is celebrated in the streets. It takes place every year in Rio de Janeiro, Brazil. It's the name of a place in Brazil. During this festival, people parade and dance in bright costumes, as you can see in the picture. So the name is Carnival. Second one is, every year a giant ice palace, it's a palace which is built for the winter festival in Quebec, Canada. It's the ice festival. Third one is, during this festival some adults dress in a dragon costume and dance through the streets. The big persons, the male persons or the female persons, there should be adult, not the child. So that are moving on the dancing on the streets, collecting gifts for those in need. They are donating them to the persons. That is Chinese New Year. Fourth one is, in Thailand, villagers hold this festival called Ban Bang Phai to make sure the rains comes. That festival is celebrated after the rainfall. They light many colorful rockets on this festival. That is Ban Bang Phai. That's it for chapter number 31. Next chapter is chapter number 32, that is Chain of Facts. What are the facts? Like in GK we always read about the things which are there in reality. So same thing we will read in this chapter. First one is, in Venice in Italy, which is also known as a Queen of Adriatic Waterways. So here we are having waterways, the name is Adriatic Waterways, make up the primary commuting routes. The main commuting means to go from here and there. So that is the main route which is made in Italy. It is known for its canal system and is situated on 120 islands formed by the canal in lagoon, the area which is formed by the water body. So this is having 120 islands altogether. Second one is, Big Banana is a place in Coffs Harbour in Australia. It's a place with the shape of big banana. The places around sell lots of bananas as there is a huge plantation of bananas in the northern part of the country. So that's why the business is more in this area and that's why they have made a shape of big banana in that area. Third one is, the Angle Falls in Venezuela is the world's highest waterfall. The height is 979 meters oblique 3212 feet we can say, which is 3 times the size of the Eiffel Tower. That's why it is the famous one. Fourth one is, the Prince of Wales Museum in Mumbai, which houses beautiful collection of Rajput miniatures. Again we are having a collection of statues and miniatures of Rajput age. So it is also having that, served as a military hospital during World War I. It's a different museum. Before we have read about different other museum. Fifth one, Melbourne hosted the first Olympic Games in 1956. Sydney hosted it in 2000 and the Brisbane and Adelaide have not hosted the same yet. So it's a famous one in Melbourne and Sydney. Sixth one, the Patola Palace is a great landmark of Lhasa. This palace's roofs are made up of gold. That's why it is a famous one and it has more than 1000 one, the Grand Canyon of United States, created by the Colorado River over a period of 6 million years, is 446 km long, ranges in width from 6 to 29 km and attains a depth of more than 1.6 km. So it's the biggest one. Last one is the Puerto Princesa Subterranean River National Park is located about 50 km north of the city Puerto Princesa, Palawan, Philippines. It's in Philippines. It is a navigable underground river. We can go underground of it and it's navigable, means we can go on the boats and ships from this river. Now let us start with chapter number 33. Again, that is a rapid fire. So let us start with the first MCQ, that is the world's first elected woman prime minister was B. Sri Mavo Bandaranaike. Second one is Madame Tussauds. The museum famous for its wax figures is in, yes, it's A, UK. Third one is Parthenon temple, which was built in the honor of goddess Athena, is in, correct, B, Greece. Next one is the largest island in the West Indies is in, very good, A, Cuba. Fifth one, the castle of Scotland that stands high above the city on a volcanic rock is, yes, Edinburgh Castle, A. Sixth one, the famous landmark of Australia, which was built to look like sailing boats in the harbour